All right, let's talk about how to absolutely ace your humanities research paper. And if you're anything like me, you've probably opened a blank document, stared at that blinking cursor and thought, where do I even start? Well, I've got you covered. Let's break it down step by step so you can stop stressing and start impressing. First up, the introduction. This is your paper's handshake. Firm, confident, and memorable. Set the scene by giving your topic some context. Why does it matter? What's at stake? Then zero in on your research question. Make it focused and clear, not vague or wishy-washy. And don't forget your thesis statement. That's your main argument, the claim you'll spend the rest of your paper proving. Treat it like the North Star. Everything else should point back to it. Next, the literature review. Think of this as joining a conversation that's already happening. Summarize what other scholars have said about your topic. Where do they agree? Where do they clash? Most importantly, where are the gaps, those overlooked corners where your paper can shine some light? Mention them, and you're not just repeating what's been said. You're showing why your research matters. Now let's talk methodology. In the humanities, this isn't about lab coats and pipettes. It's about the lens you use to analyze your material. Maybe it's close reading, or maybe you're diving into historical context. Either way, explain why you're using that approach and how it'll help answer your research question. On to the heart of your paper findings and analysis. Here's where you roll up your sleeves and dig into your evidence, whether that's novels, films, artworks, or something else. Present a piece of evidence, then break it down. Don't just describe it, analyze it, critique it, connect it directly to your thesis. If something's ambiguous or messy, that's great. Tackle it head on. Critical thinking gets you bonus points. Next is the discussion. Step back and ask, what do my findings mean in the bigger picture? How do they fit with what you found in the literature review? Do they challenge any old ideas or open up new questions for future research? This is where you show that your work isn't just a school assignment, it's part of a larger scholarly conversation. Finally, the conclusion. Don't just repeat yourself. Summarize your findings, remind us why they matter, and leave your reader with something to think about. Quick tips before you go. Outline your paper before you write. Check that each section flows into the next. And revise, revise, revise. Get feedback from a friend or professor if you can. Trust me, your future self will thank you. That's it. Stick to these steps and structuring your humanities research paper will feel a whole lot less intimidating. Good luck, you've got this.